This is the new CE52T remote control mower from Cutting Edge RC. These are the controls. This is how you function the remote control mower. We're going to go ahead and start it up and show you some of the functions. To start it up, you just push the stick to the right. Then to drive it around, if you push the stick forward, the mower will go forward. Pull the stick back, the mower will come in reverse. And then of course right and left is turning the mower. To engage the deck, you give it a little bit of throttle, which is the left stick. And engage the deck with the switch right here. That engages and disengages the deck. This is your throttle. To simply kill the engine, to stop the mower, all you do is slide the stick to the left. That kills the engine. And that's the controls. There's one other control, which is this guy right here. This is the choke. In cold weather or hard starts, you'll just turn this little dial here and it will choke the engine until you get it started. This is a demonstration of the CE52T remote control mower fail-safe system. Basically what this is in case of an emergency situation, you can turn the power switch off, which will kill the motor, along with, in the unlikely situation that you get too far away from this transmitter and it loses communication, it will kill the engine and stop the mower for safety. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate that to you now. Give a little power, just like what we're doing in a mowing situation. Engage the deck, take off mowing. And then let's say we had an emergency or it lost signal. As you can see, the mower dies right away for safety. We're going to show you some functions that are not on the remote control transmitter. I'll show you them now. This is the security keyed power switch. You turn that on. That turns on the control unit, control box. If you turn on this switch here, it turns on the LED safety beacon. This next switch here is the 55-watt halogen headlights. That turns them on. If you turn the key off, that will turn everything off, and it will also kill the engine. This is the parking brake.